everybody, it is Dolla Docta Jennifer here, and we are here with another unboxing, a Goodwill Bluebox 10 for 10 men's box. Unfortunately, there's some weird thing where they're charging some sort of tax now, so it ended up being 16 something. Let me see if I can find the shipping thing. $16.09 instead of $15, so that makes it a little bit more expensive. I will not lie, I kind of looked a little bit already. So I'm filming a couple things today, so I wanted to kind of see what we had. You can let me know in the comments how you feel about it after I'm done. Definitely subscribe to my channel if you like unboxings, thrift hauls, thrift with me's, and other such videos. I also do what sold videos every week, and I have a series called Throwback Thursday, so check that out as well. I do have playlists now that you can just put on while you're listing or doing whatever, so you can just listen to me constantly, because that's a joy for everybody. So I am going to get right into this box. I feel like it's a little dark in here today, but we'll make it work. It like became kind of winter again for a day, which was awful, but it seems to be warming up again. Anyway, we'll get right into it. So first, we have something called Club Room. It's a size medium. I don't know where this brand is from. If I look it up before I post this, then I will have some information somewhere. But it is just a color block t-shirt, stripe kind of color blocked, blues, pinks, and like coral. And then the back is just blue. It looks like it has a tiny little stain possibly on it. So I might have to wash it and see if I can get it out, or I might just put it in the listing. It's really small, but I mean, it could be an okay shirt. I don't know a guy that would want to wear a shirt like this, to be honest. It's 100% cotton. It's a size medium. I don't know if I said that. It is machine washable. I don't know. We'll see. I will put, if I find any comps or anything, I'll put that up. But that's the first item. And I think that there's 11 items, if I'm not mistaken. But one of them really shouldn't count. And I'm probably just going to donate them. So this is Gap Factory, size large. Oh, fix the collar here. I mean, it's nice colors. It's just a button-up shirt, long sleeve, and it's got buttons on the cuffs. It's a nice plaid. I like the colors myself. I don't know. I haven't sold this before. My guess is it wouldn't get a ton of money. I just sold some Gap jeans today for like $15, so maybe $15. I don't know. But at least it looks like it's in pretty good condition from what I can see, which was a very quick look. All right, these are Old Navy, size large. And they are just a blue, I guess heathered looking sweatpant. Nothing fancy about that. There is a pocket in the back. Wish there was some money in that pocket. I guess it has front pockets too. No money. Anyway, it's just an elastic waist pair of sweatpants. So, I mean, I've sold sweatpants before. Probably not for much more than, these probably won't go for much more than $10 or $15 at most. So, probably gonna get those listed. And then this, I have no idea what this is. If you know what this brand is, definitely let me know. Oh wait, does it say something? Oh, Second Skin. I didn't notice that before. It like says it on the black, which you can't see, but this is the logo. It's a size large. I mean, it feels like just like an athletic shirt. I'll have to look up Second Skin. I've not heard of that before, but it's just kind of like a faint stripe, and then it has black or dark gray side panels. It's polyester and spandex. It is machine washable though, so that's something I care about. It looks to be in good condition, although half the time I don't find flaws until I start photographing, but you know. So we'll see how that does. I like this shirt. Again, not so much for a man maybe, but this is Banana Republic factory, size medium. And it's a really cute ombre shirt. Orange at the bottom, and then it goes to gray. I like this personally, but I don't know if a guy would. Maybe I'll put it as unisex in the listing. I don't know. It's from 2017, so it is like sort of newer. And it's cotton and polyester. Machine washable. And it's all the way like on the back and the front. I don't know. Like probably like $10 maybe. Maybe. Got another button-up shirt. Joss A. Bank, extra large. I did get some like larger sizes, which I don't know is going to be helpful or not. It's another plaid button-up shirt. I mean, it looks to be in good condition. The only other like plus size shirt I sold on Poshmark that was men's button-up got like a 1-star review because it didn't fit. He said it was supposedly a size small. It wasn't. So I don't know if that was a COVID weight kind of situation or what, but that was annoying. Anyway, so I don't know. We'll see how this does. I don't think that's a great brand either for a resale, but all right, this is Champion, and it's a size 2XL too, and it's just an athletic short, like the little mesh athletic shorts. Like, I guess, are they basketball shorts? Is that what like they're technically called? I don't even know. They're like a silver gray color. Not anything like crazy exciting. Polyester. They've got like the little Champion, and they've got an inside drawstring. Probably get these listed pretty quickly. This is another one. I don't know what this is. CSG. It's, what is this? Champ Sports Gear maybe? And it's also 2XL. Maybe it goes with those shorts, I don't know. But it's just a gray tank top with a black pocket. And it's very plain. I don't know what this would go for at all. Probably not very much. I might try it on and see if it fits me. Another button-up shirt. This one is Indigo Palms Denim Company, and it's a size medium. I've never heard of this either. This is feeling like my jeans box. It's like a, I don't even know what color to call this. It's like a mustard, but it has a green undertone, striped shirt. It's not a color I'm super excited about, but I don't know. So far, at least all the button-down shirts look like they're in pretty good condition. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to look it up and see. Maybe it's something, but probably not. All right, 2 more things. This is Ralph Lauren, the Bartlett, size medium. It's a short sleeve plaid shirt, button up. It does have some little stains on it. Like, they're small, but they're there. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't know. I'll probably list it as is, and I probably won't get very much for it. I might put all of these in my sale, honestly, and see if I can get them sold that way. Well, we'll see. I mean, it's a pretty colors. It's like purples and blues and yellow, but I don't know. I haven't had great luck with button-up shirts in my closet. I've got like a Ralph Lauren and I've got a Tommy Hilfiger, I think, right now that are just sitting. So I don't know if it has to do with size or whatever, but. And then the amazing last item, a pair of jockey socks. Yes, that's right. Jockey socks. Not in packaging. I mean, they look new, but I don't know. I'll probably just keep these or donate them. I don't know. I know, super exciting. I don't really wear like tall socks. I wear the short ones. So I'm not sure why they threw those in there. They're like, hey, we feel bad. Here, have some socks. So that's my box. I think it's 11 items. Yeah, it's 11 items. So I'll put the movie magic number of the cost per goods down here. Not the best. Hopefully I can make my $16 back, but we will see. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I think, as Veronica says, I'm cured from Goodwill Blueboxes for a minute. I might get, as I say that, I might get the women's apparel where you can choose the size and get one for my size. Because I think it's only like, with shipping, supposedly like $30. And I don't remember how many pieces it is. But for $30, I can get some stuff for myself possibly, and if I don't like it, then maybe I can sell it. Yeah, my hair's a little big today. I don't know what's going on. So that's the only thing I might try to get tomorrow. Yeah, I can get it tomorrow because I'm going out of town next week, but I should be here when it comes because it usually comes on Wednesdays. So anyway, that was our unboxing for today. I know, very exciting, and we will see how we do with it. I hope you've been enjoying these haul Mondays, I guess you can call it like haul Mondays because I've been doing it for a while now. So check out next Monday. I'm sure there's gonna be something else. I hope you guys have a great week, are having a great week. Have a great week. Sell lots of stuff. And remember to help control the pet population and have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, guys.